Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Litecoin from KuCoin to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges for better fees, security, or just diversifying your holdings, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Litecoin smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Kraken set up, and that you have some Litecoin in your KuCoin wallet. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Find your Litecoin balance. That's where we'll start the withdrawal process. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to your Litecoin. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Before you do that, hop over to Kraken. Log into your Kraken account, go to the Funding section, and select Litecoin. Copy your Kraken Litecoin deposit address. This is crucial, as it's unique to your account. Step 3. Back on KuCoin, paste that Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. KuCoin might ask for a two-factor authentication code here for security. Always enable 2FA if you haven't already. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to prevent any irreversible mistakes, then confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes 10 to 30 minutes to process. Depending on network congestion in 2025, blockchain tech might be even faster by then. Head back to Kraken and refresh your wallet to see the deposit. A few quick tips. Be aware of any withdrawal fees on KuCoin and deposit minimums on Kraken. Also, in 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated on your local laws. If something goes wrong, contact customer support immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Litecoin. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.